Welcome back to the second episode of my Thesis vlog. Today, we are talking about the reason behind this entire research, the flooding problem in our area, and why it needs to be studied using both satellite data and rainfall patterns.
Summer is flash flood
Flooding
season.
has
When
become
intense
one of the
daytime heat
most
can fuel
common,
thunderstorms
most
and warm air
destructive
can hold
issues
more moisture.
affecting
But
many
experts say
communities
these
today.
recent events were more
In recent
significant for
years,
several
we've seen
reasons.
stronger
Along with high
rains,
daytime
more
temperatures in
frequent
parts of the
flooding,
country, we've
and
also
wider
seen
areas
record
being
levels of
affected.
atmospheric moisture,
When heavy
which helped
rainfall
drive heavy
hits
rainfall that
areas
led
with
to deadly
reduced
flooding in Texas and North
vegetations,
Carolina.
more
Thunderstorms
concrete
also tend to
surfaces, or
move more
poor
slowly
drainage
or even
systems,
stall,
the water has
winds in
nowhere
the upper
else to go,
atmosphere being weaker.
so it
And
floods
as a
homes,
result, wildfires also
roads,
causing
and
problems in areas
farmlands.
like Ruidoso, New Mexico,
What
burning away
makes these
vegetation, and
problems
in some
even more
areas the fire's
challenging is
extreme
that
heat
many
changing the
of
soil's
these
natural ability
changes
to
happen
absorb and slow
silently.
down rainwater.
Lands get
Droughts can have a similar
converted,
effect too,
soil
something we
becomes
saw amplify
compacted,
deadly flooding in
rivers
Texas.
get
Urban
narrower,
areas are not
and
immune
by the
either,
time we
where
feel the
asphalt pavement
effects,
and older drain
it's
systems
already
can be opened
too
by
late.
Bushida reporting.
This is where scientific analysis becomes important. Floods don't just happen randomly, they are influenced by patterns in rainfall, patterns in how land cover changes over time, and patterns in how water flows across the landscape. By understanding these patterns, we can answer important questions. Why are certain areas flooding more often? Why does land conversion affect runoff? And how do rainfall intensities contribute to sudden floods? These answers help local communities, planners, and agencies create better flood control and land management strategies. To fully understand the flood problem, we need to see the bigger picture, and satellites allow us to do exactly that. Through satellite imagery, we can monitor changes in vegetation, built-up areas, water bodies, and farmlands over time. These changes have a direct impact on how fast water flows and how much flooding occurs. When we combine satellite-based land cover with rainfall pattern analysis, we get a clearer, more complete understanding of why floods occur and where the risks are highest. And that's why this study matters. Flooding is more than a weather problem. It's a land cover problem, a planning problem, and a community problem. In the next episode, I'll show you how I use satellite imagery to analyze land cover changes and their role in flooding. Don't miss it. Episode 3 is coming up next.